Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shauki Muhammad Noor. My metric number is 211-5432-7A. Today, I want to present my actual report, which is um, a GenOp project, and the title I've given is to achieve 1,000 product in 1 month. Um, my background of my product is innovation GenOp with excellent design, aim to produce product that are ergonomic and comfortable to use. Next is my current condition. First is did not reach target. Second, lack of expert manpower. Third is uncontrolled defect. Next is my goal and target. My first goal is reach 1,000 unit product in 1 month. Second is can provide products with 0% of defects. And next, this is my analysis. My analysis is uh, the 4M concept, which is a machine, man, material, and method. In this situation, I only use machine and man. For machine, I see my problem is not enough machine. Second is power failure. And go through the man, I see my problem is the problem of working skill. Second is don't have QC tag. Mm. And then lastly, suggestion and my improvement. First, I'm suggesting to URTF to add more 3D printing machine so that the 3D printing process can be done within the allocated time. Second is get a few more assistants to carry out the work in a more orderly manner. And the last is a need to get QC man power to monitoring the process to avoid of reduce to avoid or reduce defect in product. So that's all for me. I hope Sir Faizal can understand what I present. What just I present. So that's all for me. Thank you.